I am Deanna Kleina with Stonehouse Realty, and I am so excited to show you this incredible SHOME in beautiful Canyon on amazing 9-acre property. This incredible SHOME is a must-see. With a long driveway and park-like setting, it is private, functional, and comfortable, yet leaving room to grow. The star of the show, the workshop. It is 50 by 50 with 17-foot ceilings and new power bay doors for convenience and ease. Plus has a brand new loft and additional space below, which is perfect for a gym or more shop storage if required. The massive carport is 30 by 50 and right off the workshop. The main floor of the home features a fantastic open concept kitchen and eating area that flows through to a large wraparound deck. Has a master with bathroom, a newly built loft within the workshop, which can be used for more storage or an office. The floor below has a large bedroom, laundry, living room, covered deck, leads to the hot tub to enjoy your private setting. Also, the full bathroom is conveniently accessible from the workshop, leaving things clean and tidy in the living space. Bonuses: a worry-free metal roof to last, fantastic wood boiler making it practically free to heat, and 2 additional backup heating systems. Build your dream home, a primary dwelling. It has potential building site, septic is also set up, and there is another water connection as well. Amazing location, only minutes to schools, parks, shopping, recreation center, hospital, and so much more. And for more information on this property and the lifestyle that you can have in Creston, British Columbia, feel free to call me at 604-789-8202.